Renovating a centuries-old home usually leads to the uncovering of dodgy wiring and cracked pipes. For one woman, however, it revealed something far more remarkable. Cian, the owner of the 1880s Welsh cottage, was stunned to discover an intimate relic of the past whilst hacking off cement plaster. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The unexpected find was shared to TikTok, with Cian telling users, "I found an engagement ring lodged in the wall. Amidst the dust and decay, a sparkling diamond shone out, leaving her to wonder just how old this treasure was. Unfortunately, it didn't belong to the previous owner. They never actually lived here during renovations, were unmarried, and didn't finish the works," she revealed. "It may have belonged to a couple who lived here years before but split up over 15 years ago. Tracking them down would be impossible, and I doubt she'd want it back." She jokingly added, "Maybe the house was proposing to me instead." As the post quickly amassed thousands of views, many wondered what other secrets lay within the engagement ring. "Get it valued and give us an update," one watcher asked. Just days after her original post, Cian was back to unveil the worth of the diamond ring. "So I've got an update on the ring that I found whilst I was doing house renovation," she said. Cian journeyed into town to speak with a friend who suggested she speak with her partner who works in the jewelry business. Cian was told she'd found a 9-carat gold ring with a diamond center from the late 1990s. The accessory is known as an illusion ring. "The reason why it's called an illusion ring is because it makes the gemstone look bigger," she explained. The jewelers today said they'd only actually purchase it based on its weight. Cian then revealed she was offered £54, all $103, for the glitzy ring. She says she hopes to find a way to display the ring and memory forever in her home.